Alright, we're gonna mount the MM80 Go Power Sport wheels on some Sun F street tires. Let me grab my other tires. These are directional, so I gotta make sure I got them going the right direction. Lube up my bead. They're pretty much a pain in the butt to mount, but it's possible. Get on here, boy. This is the Harbor Freight cheap tire changer. Honestly, it kind of sucks, to be honest with you. But it gets the job done, I guess. This makes you work for it, makes you earn it. Knock myself out. There we go. Definitely be easier with two people. But one of them could kind of hold that bead down. Here it is. You gotta knock the bearings out in order for it to fit on that shaft. But it's mounted.